Welcome to the next part of the video where we'll be discussing basic strength of aliphatic amines and ammonia. We know ammonia is basic in nature. How? Because of presence of lone pair of electron on ammonia. When it is dissolved in water, first of all it forms ammonium hydroxide, and this ammonium hydroxide further releases hydroxyl ion. Thus we say that ammonia is basic in nature. Ammonia also gets attacked by acid, forming ammonium chloride. So both these reactions prove that ammonia is basic in nature. Now similarly, aliphatic amines, are they basic in nature? Yes, they are also basic in nature because of presence of lone pair of electron on them. They will also form alkyl ammonium cation, which further releases hydroxyl ion. So this reaction proves that alkyl amines are also basic in nature. They also get reacted with acid. They also get attacked by acids. For example, any alkyl amine when treated with hydrogen halide, it will form RNH3 plus X minus, that is a salt containing ammonium cation. Now suppose I want to decide which one will be more basic, whether it will be aliphatic amine or whether it will be ammonia. What are the factors that I have to consider? Let us discuss one by one in detail. If we look at the structure of ammonia and alkyl amines, in both cases there is lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom. Then what is the difference? In case of alkyl amines, there is one alkyl group, and we know alkyl groups are electron donating group. So they increase the electron density on nitrogen atom. That is, alkyl groups, they show plus M effect, or I will show plus I effect. So electron density on nitrogen increases. Therefore, loss of electron becomes easy. And if the loss of electron becomes easy, it becomes more base, Lewis base. And so what will be the overall conclusion? Alkyl amines will be more basic than ammonia because of plus I effect. So I can give you one hint over here that plus M effect is directly proportional to basicity. More the groups showing plus M effect, more will be the basic character. Okay, so with this concept, we will move ahead. Now once I know that alkyl amines are more basic than ammonia. But in case of alkyl amines, we know there are three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. So if I want to compare the basicity of primary, secondary and tertiary amine, how I will do it? So let us discuss comparison of basic strength of primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Now for this we have to consider two cases. One will be in gaseous phase and another will be in aqueous phase. So we'll begin with the first one, comparison of basic strength in gaseous phase. First of all, we will draw the structures of primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Primary or 1 degree amine, secondary or 2 degree amine, and tertiary or 3 degree amine. Now what you are able to observe here, especially in case of 3 degree amines, there are 3 large bulky alkyl groups. So all these three alkyl groups, they will act as electron donating. Plus I effect will be more because of three bulky alkyl groups. Comparatively in 1 degree amine, there is only one alkyl group which will donate its electron. Therefore plus I effect in case of 1 degree amine will be less, and therefore the order will be 1 degree amine least basic and 3 degree amine will be more basic in gaseous phase. So what is the order in gaseous phase? 3 degree amine more basic than 2 degree than 1 degree. But when we are discussing aqueous phase, there are many factors that we have to consider. So let us study that. When we are discussing the basic strength of primary, secondary and tertiary amine in aqueous phase, we have to consider two factors. One is steric factor and another is the solvation of ions. Now if we consider both these factors, we say tertiary amines should be least basic. This was not the case in gaseous phase. Why? In gaseous phase, solvation of ion or the steric factor do not play the role. Their plus I effect is the major one. Now if we consider steric factor, why tertiary amines are less basic? From our knowledge we know that alkyl groups are larger than hydrogen, and therefore it will not allow the attack of acid easily. So obviously as the number of alkyl group increases, the crowding increases, the attack of acid becomes more and more difficult, and therefore I will say tertiary amines will be least basic. Now when we are considering solvation or the solvent will play major role because we are considering it in aqueous phase. Now when amines are dissolved in water, we know it undergoes hydration, that is it forms hydrogen bonding. What concept you have to remember is, greater the extent of hydrogen bonding in ammonium cation, more will be stabilization. So obviously 1 degree amine, they form greater extent of hydrogen bonding, more will be stabilization, and greater will be the strength of corresponding amine. So considering this solvation of ion, 3 degree amine can be again will be least basic because 3 degree amine do not form hydrogen bonding with water. Now considering both these factors, suppose alkyl group is smaller group such as methyl, then the order of basic strength becomes 2 degree or secondary amine becomes more basic than primary, than tertiary, and obviously we have seen that all these are more basic than ammonia. For example, dimethylamine is more basic than methenamine and it is more basic than trimethylamine, but still it is more basic than ammonia. Now why there is a reverse condition here? It is because methyl group offers comparatively less steric hindrance, and therefore the order changes to secondary, primary and tertiary. But if alkyl group is a larger alkyl group like methyl, then plus I effect plays a major role. Here I will say solvation will play major role, and when R is a group like ethyl, a bulky group, then plus I effect will play a major role, and this order will change to secondary, more basic than tertiary, more basic than primary, and that is more basic than ammonia. For example, diethyl amine will be more basic than triethylamine, will be more basic than ethanamine, and that will be more basic than ammonia. Now this two you have to remember. These are very important questions, not only with respect to your board exams but as well as with respect to your JEE. So I have given you 3 cases. In case of gaseous phase, the order becomes tertiary becomes the more basic, and primary amine becomes the least basic. In aqueous phase, especially when the alkyl group is methyl, we have the order 2 degree, 1 degree, 3 degree and ammonia. When alkyl group is a larger one like ethyl, we have the order 2 degree, 3 degree, 1 degree and ammonia. So this was the comparison of basic strength of aliphatic amine and that of ammonia. But we have studied or that exist aromatic amines also. So now we'll be discussing the basic strength comparison between aromatic amines and ammonia. When we compare basic strength of aromatic amines such as aniline with that of ammonia, we find a completely reverse trend. We have seen that aliphatic amines are more basic than ammonia, but aromatic amines are least basic as compared to ammonia. Why? Because the lone pair on nitrogen gets involved in the resonance. If the lone pair present on nitrogen, it can be easily donated, it will be more basic. If lone pair present on nitrogen atom cannot be donated easily, then it will be least basic. So here what I can conclude that aniline will be weak basic as compared to that of ammonia. Now what I have to remember is substituents that will impact the basic strength of ammonia. Substituents can be of two types. Substituents can be of two types. It can be either electron withdrawing group or either it can be electron donating group. These will impact the basic strength of aniline. If electron donating groups are present like any alkyl group, since it will show plus I or plus M effect, then it will increase the basicity of aniline. But on the other hand, electron withdrawing groups are present like NO2, CN, halogens, carboxylic acid, etc. They show minus M effect or minus I effect and they decreases basicity of aniline. Okay, now if I want to compile the thing, how I will compile? Aliphatic amine, they are more basic than ammonia and ammonia is more basic than aromatic amine. Okay, based on this you have lot of arrange in sequence type of question in board exams as well as in your JEE exams. But when we are considering individually aliphatic or aromatic amine, we have to consider the electron withdrawing and electron donating group also. One more thing, if the question do not clearly specifies whether you have to give basic strength comparison of aliphatic amine in aqueous phase or gaseous phase, if the question do not specifies whether it should be aqueous phase or gaseous phase, then by default the question is for aqueous phase. Otherwise for the gaseous phase the question specifies clearly. So based on all this, let us try to solve some question today. Here goes your first question. Arrange the following in decreasing order of pKb. Now we know that pKb is inversely proportional to Kb. That means pKb is inversely proportional to basic character and therefore I have to arrange them in such a way that the least basic comes first. So among this given, the least basic is aniline and therefore my answer is aniline followed by C6H5NHCH3. Then obviously alkyl amine more basic. So ethanamine, and we know plus I effect will play its role and therefore diethyl amine will be more basic in the given one. So this will be according to decreasing order of pKb. In the second question, it is to arrange in the decreasing order of basic strength. So, among the given one, obviously alkylamines are more basic. In alkylamines, secondary amines. So, C2H5 twice NH will be more basic than ethanamine. It will be more basic than C6H5NCH3 whole twice, and obviously aniline will be the least basic one. Here is your next question. To arrange in increasing order of basic strength. All these are forms of aniline, one with electron withdrawing group and one with electron donating group. Para-nitroaniline, we must know the structure. So this is electron withdrawing group, will decrease the electron density. Para-nitrotoluidine, electron donating group present, plus I effect will be there, electron density will increase, loss of electron becomes easy, it will be more basic. So we have to arrange in increasing order, and therefore answer will be para-nitroaniline, least basic than aniline, and that is least basic than para-toluidine. So overall what we have to remember is, if the electron density on nitrogen atom that can be lost easily, it will be more basic. If electron density on nitrogen atom cannot be lost easily, it gets involved in resonance, or steric factor is there, or solvation factor is there, then it will be least basic. So considering all these things, you can easily solve the questions. So now today I am giving you two assignments based on chemical properties which we have discussed in our last part of video. This is the first set of assignment where you have complete the following reaction type question, give reason type question, and arrange in the decreasing or increasing order type of questions. This is the second set of assignment which includes give reason questions. Now these give reason question based on basic strength, they are very important. Many times repeated questions in your board exams. Then again arranging in increasing or decreasing order questions. And this one I have specified here gaseous phase. If this gas phase is not mentioned in the question, then your answer must be according to aqueous phase for aliphatic amines. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.